गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक वेज क्रिस्पीज। तो शुरू करने से पहले हम लोग को गाजर, आलू और शिमला मिर्च को लंबे लंबे में काट के रखना है और गोभी को छोटे छोटे फ्लावरेट्स में डिवाइड करके रखना है। Okay, so after cutting, they should look something like this. Okay, now to make the batter, we will need half cup of flour and half cup of cornstarch. I would recommend using potato starch arrowroot, but I don't currently have arrowroot, so I am going to use cornstarch. Both half cup. After this, we will add our flavorings to the batter. To this, we will add almost half tablespoon of black pepper and a very big pinch of salt. We are adding so much of this salt and pepper because there will be almost no other flavorings than the batter. So to this, now we are going to add this. This is garlic chili paste. If you don't have it, you can use chili paste and ginger garlic paste. So I am going to add a very heaped tablespoon of this. If you don't have this, then you can put 4 tablespoons of that liquid red sauce and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay. Then to this, we are going to add chopped coriander, dhania. And to also this, we are going to add half a lemon. To this, we will stream in water slowly and mix it until it forms a batter. I will show you the consistency of how it should be a little when I reach there. This should be consistency and this should be the color. While the oil is heating up, let's discuss how we are going to fry it. अब क्या है कि हम लोग जो है इसको 2 टाइम में हम लोग को फ्राई करना पड़ेगा। पहले जो है हम लोग को आलू और गाजर को एक साथ फ्राई करना पड़ेगा, फिर हम लोग जो है गोभी और शिमला मिर्च को एक साथ फ्राई करेंगे क्योंकि उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ वैसी है तो वो अलग लेवल से फ्राई होंगे। तो पहले हम लोग आलू और गाजर को एक साथ फ्राई करते हैं। जब तक ऑयल हीट अप हो रहा है हम लोग सारे आलू और गाजर को एक साथ मिला देते हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव आवर वेजिटेबल्स व्हेन दे गेट अ डीप ब्राउन कलर. The color is not coming properly on camera, but you understand. हम लोग 1/4 कप पानी लेंगे। हम लोग को वेट करना है कि जब तक ये बॉईल होए। ओके, भाप निकलना शुरू हो गया है तो सबसे पहले हम डालेंगे 1 हीट टेबल tablespoon Szechuan sauce. इसको मिक्स कर लीजिए। फिर हम इसमें मिलाएंगे one tablespoon honey for the sweetness. It gives a very good flavor when it is paired with soy sauce and Szechuan sauce, and in general in just Chinese food. Next, we are going to add a little bit of vinegar. Yeah, that's enough. And 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Mix it well. Now you must be wondering that it is too thin. For the thickness, we are going to add a Slurpee afterwards, which will make it thick. But for now, we will add half a tablespoon of soy sauce and 1/4 tablespoon of GG paste. Lower the heat. Add salt and ground black pepper. Now is the time to make the slurry. Sorry. We are going to add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and we are going to add, and to that we are going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and add to the sauce. This will make it thick. It's already starting to get thick. Add a little bit more water. And now it has gotten a little thick. We are going to add all of our vegetables. Lower heat. We just want to coat our vegetables. We don't want this to be actual sauce. Okay. The vegetables are well mixed, and now it is ready to serve. I hope you liked my recipe, and in case you are wondering, if you wanted to make dry crispy veg without the sauce, then you can just skip the sauce part, and then after frying you can just serve it with whatever you like to eat it with. Thank you. I hope you like this recipe. Bye.